Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called The Voice Within from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. The Voice Within. You make mountains out of molehills by your incessant perception of can't-dos. You fail to realize that taking a step back and seeking within would summon the answer you're looking for. It would remind you of all the possibilities, your power and part in creation. The voice within would smile at your perseverance, and it would incessantly say, I can. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a few moments. If you are able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for. Today or yesterday, last year, anytime. Just 3 things that you're really grateful for. I'm grateful for my wife. I'm very grateful for everybody listening to these poems, subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. It's amazing. And I'm also grateful for the walls around me. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.